wanasema story kama na story ka hii story takufanya ujana. To all youths nawaambia, making decision is like planting, because one day you will harvest. Plant a good seed so that you'll get a good harvest in the future. Skiza. So, iko manaleta inaitwa ni urban drill, inaitwa God is here. Cause kutoka nikuje conference nimeona Mungu, nimeona mkono wake. So God is here, the presence of God is here with me. Did yeah. God is here. God is here with me. Jesus. Yeah. Tell you. No. You can't to imagine. You can't to imagine. That the makeup of the universe is here. And no longer God is here. God is here. Almighty God is here. Let's go down before Him in reverence and fear. God is here. Almighty God is here. Let's go down before Him in reverence and fear. God is here. Almighty God is here. Let's go down before Him in reverence and fear. When I hear the praise, that's the Lord who has done. Jesus ni kaya ni padre, ni chakula na wewe kuna na kausa kabisa.